Hey guys, it's your girl Ty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Fenty Beauty's new Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. So this palette comes with 16 shades. So I'm going to do a swatch test for you guys and then I'm going to do an eyeshadow look. So these are the swatches for this palette. As you can see, these colors are pretty pigmented. Most of these colors I only dipped in once, and this was the color that I got. Please don't judge my wig in this video. I pushed it back a little bit so that I can get the hair out of my face. Don't be coming for me in the comment section. Okay, now that I've done the swatches, I am going to do an eyeshadow look. I'm not sure what I want to do. Well, actually I am sure. I want to do something with this blue and see how that goes. So I'm going to try that blue and then some of the matte colors and see how that works. So the first color I'm going to start with is Casablanca. And I'm going to put that right on my brow bone. Not too much because this is pretty shimmery. And I love that this palette comes with a mirror. So I can use this to do this eyeshadow look. Ooh, and as you can see, that is really pretty. That's a nice shimmer. Okay. Yeah, this is a really nice shimmer. This is a pretty color. And it has like different sparkles, and this is really pretty. So I had to adjust my camera, move you guys in closer, and pull my hair back. So now I am going to dip into the colors are on the back. Oh, the colors on the back of the palette, but I don't want to keep doing that, so I'm just gonna look at the back of the box. So the next color I'm gonna dip into is Come and Get Me, which is this color right here. I'm only gonna pick up a little bit because I don't want it to be too heavy. As you can see, these colors are pretty pigmented. This is like this is brown, but it has like some red in it. That's pretty. Can you guys see that shimmer though? From Casablanca? It's nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip into Quicksand because I want more of an orange pinkish kind of look in my crease. So I'm gonna hit it with that a little bit. Anytime you're working with blue, it's good to mix it with something that's on the orange side because those colors just go well together when you're doing eyeshadows. Like on the orange or peach colors mix good with blue. So now I'm dipping into Evil Genie, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Just got this palette, and I'm getting it all dusty already. Eyeshadow everywhere. And what I could say, which is good, is I don't have any fallout. Not so far. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented. Look at that. This is really pigmented. Let me do the other eye some more. And before I did my eyes, I only put on concealer. And then I set that with my banana powder. That was the only thing I put on to, as a base before I put my eyeshadows down. And this is coming out pretty pigmented. I'm just gonna blend this out. Just gonna blend this out so I don't have any harsh lines. And although I feel like this is really pigmented and it doesn't really need much, I'm still gonna amp it up a little bit. I'm gonna grab my Fix Plus. I'm gonna spray my brush and I'm gonna dip into that blue just to make it pop some more. Ooh. Look at that. Spray it again. And we see just wetting the brush made that pop just a little bit more. Alright, I'm going back on my blending brush just to make sure again there's no harsh lines. And you guys know I can't do a look without making it just a little bit smoky. So I think that I'm going to dip into this color. What is this one called? I'm going to dip into Hennessy. Ooh, that's cute. Hennessy. The way they spell it is H-E-N-N-A and then S-E-A. So cool. Let me see if this gives me enough darkness to it. Yeah, that's perfect. And as you can see, this color is really coming up too. So this palette is pretty pigmented. It's a really nice palette. I think this palette is perfect for the summer. I could easily do this look going to brunch, going out on a date, or even just hanging with the girls. This is pretty. So now I'm just taking a big fluffy blending brush just to blend it all out. I don't know what that noise was. Be too much noise going on outside. Sound like somebody's tire just busted. And there go a bunch of horns after. And guys, I'm not getting any fallout from this. And that's kind of, I mean, not having any fallout is not that deep. But it kind of is, because I like to, I used to do my eyes first and then do my face. But now I've been doing my face first. So the fact that there's no fallout is like perfect. I don't know why, when I do my full face first and then my eyes, I just do my makeup a lot faster than when I do my eyes first. I don't know why, it's like the same process, but it's just faster. So the fact that there's no fallout is a plus. So I know I can do my full face and not have to worry about messing up and getting blue or any other colors down here. So I'm just gonna go back into this color here, which was Quicksand. And I'm just gonna blend out my crease just a little bit more. And I think this makeup look is pretty and bomb. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna add some lashes, some liner, and then give you my full thought. So I am back. Eyeliner and lashes are done. I totally forgot I need to do my waterline, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm going to use a small blending brush, and I'm gonna dip into this dark color. What color was this again? This is Hennessy. And I'm going to sweep this on my bottom lash line. I think I'm going to add some glue down here too. I'm gonna take a smaller pencil brush and I'm gonna dip back into that blue, which is Evil Genie, and put that right on the inside. You guys can see what I just did. Now I want to add something in my tear duct, so I think I'm going to use, you know what? I'm using Casablanca again because I really like this color. I'm going to put that right in my tear duct. This color is pretty. It kind of has like, it's like it's gold, but it has like sparkles of like a little bit of blue in there, a little bit of green. It's really pretty. I don't know if that was picking up on camera, but in person you definitely can see it. All right, and that's pretty much also this eye look. So here's my final thoughts on this palette. I really like it. I think the colors are pigmented. My favorite colors are probably going to be Evil Genie and Casablanca. You could probably tell from the video I really like Casablanca. But I think these colors are amazing. I kind of feel like this is something that I can travel with. First, because it has the mirror on it, which I absolutely love. And then the palette kind of gives you a pretty good range. Like if I'm traveling somewhere, it's something that I can kind of make an eyeshadow look out of for any situation. If I'm going to brunch, if I'm going to dinner, if I'm going on a date, I kind of feel like this got me covered. Even if I want to do something smoky, I feel like this palette has me covered. I will say I wish the names of it were on the front for the eyeshadows. However, that's not really a big deal. That's neither here nor there because it's right on the back and it's on the back of the box. So that's really not that big of a deal. What I do like also is that there is no fallout. So if you're a person who likes doing your foundation first, this got you covered, because you can do your foundation, you can do your eyes, and no fallout, you'll be fine. So I hope you guys really like this review. This was my first time doing a review, so I was a little nervous. I don't know if you guys can see that through the video, but I really enjoyed doing it. So I hope you guys like it. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave some comments below. Let me know if this is something that you will get. And if you really like the video, please subscribe. And I see you guys next time. Bye.